Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Pusheen and her sister Stormy. So let's get started. To draw Pusheen, let's start with a slight curve on top of her head. So right here I'm just going to draw a soft curve that's right in the center. And from there I'm going to go up for her ears. So angle it, and at the tip I'm going to round it off and come back down. So same thing on this side. Go up, round off the tip, and come down. Then from there I'm just going to bring this down a tiny bit more, so it's a little bit wider on this side, a little bit more in this side. So then from there let's come in here, and I'm going to draw the stripes right here. So there's going to be 3 stripes, so basically 3 U's right in here. Then from here I'm going to come straight down just a little bit, not too much, say about right here, and I'm going to draw her mouth and nose area. So it's just a curve on both sides. Then from there I'm going to come to the side about in this area and draw a circle for the eyes. Now I'll come in here with a small little highlight, circle, and then shade the rest in. And same thing over here, so about right here. There. Okay, so then I'm just going to bring this down a little bit more. So like I said, this side's much wider, and we're going to bring this down. So now that we're about the same level, I'm going to stop because we have to draw Stormy, right? So Stormy is going to be tucked right in this area. So I'm going to use my eye as a guide. So right underneath this eye, in this area, I'm going to start Stormy's ear. So say about right here. I'm just going to go up with a curve, come down. So her ears are thinner, obviously, and then she's just made of a bunch of curves. So from there, I'm just going to start the top of her head, which is 2 curves, and her other ear. So right in this area. And I'm just going to finish whatever space I have left right there. And then now let's come, now that we're pretty even, at a slight angle, I'm going to come right here and draw another curve. So this is kind of like her face. And another curve right there. So let's come in here in this area right here, and we're going to draw her her mouth and her nose. So right in the center, just like Pusheen, say about right here, straight line and then curve. And then to the sides, we're going to draw the eyes. So same thing, just a little highlight and then shade it in. There. Okay, so then from there we're going to go one more small curve. And then right in this area we're going to draw Pusheen's hand first. So come right here, and I'm just going to draw a curve for Pusheen's hand. And then Stormy's hand is going to be right underneath, so another curve going the other way. So then right here we're going to just start to draw Stormy's back. So it's just like I said, it's just made up a bunch of curves that we're going to come and bring down. So back and forth. Just going to start bringing her body down. Let's see, I'm following the original, so about right here. You can start, and let's bring this part down so we kind of know how far to come down here. So let's bring Pusheen's body down now, because they're going to end about the same level. So let's keep bringing it down. Okay, so then let me finish Stormy here first. So right in about this area, I'm going to start here with a curve that comes right across, and we're going to start to draw her tail. So just 3 curves. And then bring this down, and then right here we're going to give it a slight little tip, a little bit thinner, and then bring it around. So then just go ahead and round this part off to bring it together. There, nice and fluffy, right? So now we have to tuck Pusheen right into this area. So her tail is going to end about the same area, so just keep that in mind. So as we bring this down, we're going to start to angle it in. And like I said, it's about the same area, so just bring this in, about right there. And then tuck Pusheen's tail. From there, let's add the stripes on the tail. So I'm going to come right here, add 1, 2, and then another one. And then whatever space you have left in between here, just add a, about right in this area, just add a curve to finish it off. Okay, so then let's try Pusheen's whiskers because she looks very different without her whiskers, right? It's all about the whiskers. So come right here where her eyes are, and I'm just going to draw 2 curves coming out. There, now she's complete. So on the other side. And her stripes on her back, of course. And one more. And let's see here. We are pretty much done, right? Except, of course, we're going to add a heart. Because this is a very sweet drawing of Pusheen and her sister Stormy hugging. So I hope this really inspires you to draw it too. And there, all done. And I hope you love how it turned out. Thanks so much for watching. And if you haven't already, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.